wondered how that tiny hole in your camera lens controls the amount of light that reaches your sensor? Let's dive into the world of f-stops. The aperture is the adjustable opening in your lens. It's like a gate that controls the flow of light. F-stops are represented by a series of numbers. The lower the number, the wider the aperture, and the more light enters your camera. F-stops also affect the depth of field, or the area of the image that is in focus. A wider aperture, lower f-stop, creates a shallower depth of field, while a narrower aperture, higher f-stop, creates a deeper depth of field. F-stops offer a wide range of creative possibilities, so experiment with different settings to achieve the desired look for your photos. Understanding f-stops is essential for any photographer. By mastering this technique, you can control the exposure and create stunning images.